What next?
There were once two orders of heroes who protected the galaxy from those who would use the emerald for evil.
But they have all passed on to the great battleground in the sky.
So we start a new order, the three of us.
This is no light task. We must make a vow to use our powers to keep the universe safe, to watch out for each other. Our new tribe.
Oh, I know! A power bump!
Good idea.
It's an Earth custom, an unbreakable promise.
Very well.
Powerbomb!
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go